Hello, welcome to this update for Oceania. We will highlight some big things that might happen this week and next week. So we already talked about Australia a little bit yesterday or before yesterday. So we'll talk a little bit more about Australia too because of some systems. But now let's focus on this system. It just came off the coast there of Australia, still bringing some rain to New South Wales and Queensland, but now it's projected to bring more storms like towards New Caledonia and maybe Vanuatu. So this like by Sunday morning, the 29th, it shows maybe some storms approaching New Caledonia, especially by like in between Sunday and Monday, Sunday night into Monday, the 30th. The European model has more storms around New Caledonia, some rain, some storms maybe near Vanuatu, and then this keeps going. Yeah, still some scattered storms near Vanuatu, some showers near Fiji, and then it has like in Tuvalu, some areas there, some showers and storms. Then like by Tuesday the 1st, yes, some more scattered storms near Samoa, near Fiji, but especially near Samoa and maybe French Polynesia, but mainly Samoa and American Samoa there. So maybe the Cook Islands and the French Polynesia shows after October 1st might have more storms near French Polynesia. So we will keep monitoring this, but these models are just like global weather models, so this is not like high resolution. We can't know for sure what will happen. So we'll check a bunch of models to see what the trend is. So there's the GFS. It also shows that rain and some storms near New Caledonia between Sunday and Monday. So this by like Monday, the GFS has some showers passing by New Caledonia, maybe some storms, so be aware. Maybe some storms nearby, some showers, and then it has like more stuff near Vanuatu, some storms in Samoa, especially in Samoa by September 30th. Be aware there. Two models have already shown more showers and storms there, and now it's showing by like the 2nd, still some showers and storms there, and so some more showers and storms by October 3rd near French Polynesia and the Cook Islands. So be aware in those areas. And let's see, there's also the icon. It does show those storms approaching New Caledonia, but it shows most storms to the south there in the ocean. But it does show a scared isolated storm or two and some showers in New Caledonia between Sunday and Monday. Vanuatu might have some as well, and the tropical rains continue in the Solomon Islands, some scattered showers and storms. And then let's see, this by September 30th shows some storms near Samoa, but like near by Tuesday, October 1st, shows some more storms near Samoa. By the 2nd, alright, some showers near the Cook Islands, but mainly like French Polynesia, shows especially on Thursday the 3rd, more showers and storms near French Polynesia. So now all the models are showing this forecast, but it might change in the coming days. So just be aware, there's still time for this forecast to change, but you'll be generally like this. There's also, let's see, there's the excess model. It shows like that cycle in Australia now, then it keeps going like this, all extra tropical, non-tropical. There's nothing tropical about this. So let's see, the excess model has some showers and storms in New Caledonia between Sunday and Monday as well, so be aware, some stuff near Vanuatu. And then the model doesn't go further east, but it does show the storms near Samoa there, like the 30th and the 1st. So and it also shows another cold front might affect New Caledonia on October 1st because of the big system New Zealand later we will talk about. So be aware there. And let's see, I'll just get the European model again to try to do something. So here, so I know most people speak French there, so I'll just try to say this in French. I don't speak French, but let's try. Nueva Caledonia, Oages, molts, Oages, Dimanche. Good, I hope they understand that. I meant thunderstorms Sunday, especially like Sunday to Monday, during the night, Sunday to Monday. So be aware there. And let's see, shows more showers and storms in Papua New Guinea, Solomon Islands, in the tropics. So, and then we'll have this, because that cyclone in Australia is too far north, like it's far north, and so it won't head towards New Zealand, but you leave those storms in New Caledonia. But this cold front will fall south, and then this will start developing into a new cyclone just off New South Wales. And then Monday shows this big front heading towards New Zealand. There is some rain in southern New Zealand by October 1st, and then it shows this keeps going. By like October 2nd, Wednesday, shows a lot of heavy rains and snow for southern New Zealand in the mountains. Then by like through Wednesday, October 2nd, more throughout central New Zealand and even northern New Zealand shows heavy rain near Auckland. By like Wednesday night, October 2nd, more for central northern New Zealand, more snow in the mountains. So be aware on October 2nd there, a big system. Still on October 3rd, Thursday, shows this big low pressure spinning around New Zealand, lots of showers and snow still in the South Island and North Island. Then this low pressure keeps spinning until like Saturday the 5th, and then it starts dissipating. But still shows one system to that side, another one to that side. And this system to the west might go towards New Zealand again on Sunday, October 6th, with more rain and wind. So be aware. This is the European. The GFS also shows this, the cold front approaching there like Wednesday the 2nd, some heavy rain, some snow in the mountains and the gusty wind. So, and then by like Friday the 4th, as this other low pressure approaching on Saturday the 5th towards New Zealand again. Maybe more stuff to watch later. So be aware. And there's like the icon. It also shows like the system there in Australia, and then there's that front they'll form further south, maybe bring some rain between Saturday and Sunday to Victoria, South Australia and Tasmania. So this front there, like from Saturday to Sunday, then this front, the same front will go towards New Zealand there, maybe become an extra tropical cyclone. And this by October 1st, right, so show some heavy rain southern New Zealand. October 2nd, a lot of rain from most of New Zealand and snow in the mountains there. So all the way until Thursday, there might be some storms too, like in those lightning emojis. So be aware. And there's also the excess. It also shows this like this is Saturday to Sunday, shows that front in South Australia, Victoria and Tasmania, New South Wales, so some rain there, be aware. Then like around Monday the 30th and Tuesday, this starts going towards New Zealand. A powerful system shows very heavy rain and snow on Tuesday the 1st, then this continues, and Wednesday the 2nd, most rain moves into northern New Zealand and continues there, and that other cyclone setting up there next Friday to bring some more dangerous stuff. And next Saturday the 5th shows another front there from New Zealand, and more stuff for October 6th. So we'll keep monitoring all of this and be careful there, be aware. There's also the new snow in the next 5 days. So I'll put this until Friday the 4th for New Zealand. It shows some heavier snow southern New Zealand there. In the north, nothing. But it does show some mountains in southern New Zealand, like some 114 centimeters of snow. Some more snow further south in some towns there. Meaning the mountains, the coast is clear, but it does show a lot of snow there near Mount Cook and some areas. So be aware. There's also the GFS. The GFS only shows a little bit of snow there from these systems, but we might have the excess model shows more snow, a little bit heavier in the mountains there, some 84 centimeters, the South Island, and the icon shows some more scattered snow there. So be aware. And let's see here. there's the wind gusts as well. So like now, for today's Friday the 27th, it does show like some gusty winds in the ocean around New Zealand. Some islands that belong to New Zealand might be getting some strong winds there, so be aware. And then still shows some very gusty winds just to the south of New Zealand, like Marquee Island on Saturday the 28th, close to like 77 kilometers per hour. And then the gusts, and then this like Sunday shows some stronger winds in some parts of Victoria, Saturday to Sunday, near Tasmania, especially southern Tasmania. Then this system starts setting up some stronger winds in the coast, near the coast of New South Wales. And then they start heading towards New Zealand by Tuesday the 1st. Alright, some gusty winds early on Tuesday in southern New Zealand there. Some 81 km per hour gusts it's showing, alright, in the mountains, so like 82 km per hour gusts. Then later on Tuesday into Wednesday, alright, it shows more gusty winds still in the mountains and much of northern New Zealand. Some gusty winds too, like there's like 69 km per hour gusts on Wednesday the 2nd. It continues some very gusty winds there. There's like Thursday morning, Thursday afternoon, alright, it's some 85 km per hour gusts. Northern and southern New Zealand, close to 100 in southern New Zealand next Thursday, because this cyclone will just keep spinning there around New Zealand, bringing more gusty winds, so be careful there. Like from Tuesday the 1st to Friday to Saturday the 5th, be careful of gusty winds. And then shows another system near Tasmania on the 6th, so be careful there. And now there's that cyclone there near Australia, still some gusty winds near the coast. Then it does show like the storms near New Caledonia, might be a gusty wind or two in the ocean. But let's see, mainly calm winds in some other islands, but they might be gustier near Tonga. Some gusty winds near the northern coast of Australia and Tonga there, so be aware. And especially like after Friday the 4th, some gusty winds in a big part of the Pacific there, so be aware. And then Western Australia will have another situation. We talked about this cold front in the quick Australia video, but let's see, like Monday the 30th, alright, starts showing that system forming out there on the Southern Ocean. Then like Tuesday, October 1st, shows this big system approaching Western Australia. This is already Wednesday, October 2nd, show like 94 km per hour gusts in many areas of Western Australia. Let's see, some 87 km per hour gusts, 73, so very strong winds there. Tuesday into next Wednesday, especially next Wednesday the 2nd, all the way into the night, like 90 km per hour gusts as this cold front continues, so be careful. Thursday the 3rd, alright, still shows like strong winds Western Australia, and this cold front keeps moving to South Australia, close to 87 km per hour gusts, like Thursday the 3rd, and this keeps moving there. Maybe some gusty winds near New South Wales or South Australia. And then show like Saturday the 5th, some gusty winds there too, so be aware. In the system near Tasmania on the 6th, so be aware Western Australia next week and those other areas. The rainfall map shows like we will start getting that system coming there. This is like Tuesday the 1st. This mainly arrive on Wednesday there, but there might be some storms scared in the afternoon, like in Western Australia, before this system, like during the night and evening. This shows like Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, some storms there. Then those storms continue there ahead of the cold front throughout Wednesday morning and afternoon, and the main front goes into Western Australia, into Perth, in many areas. The European shows that line of storms and that cold front, both there in Western Australia on Wednesday the 2nd. The storms continue and merge with the front and go into South Australia there by Thursday the 3rd. I might bring a rain or two to Victoria by Friday the 4th and New South Wales, so be careful with those systems, Western Australia as well. So let's see, the GFS, it also has like this cold front now there, and then like it has this system approaching like on Wednesday the 2nd, some storms ahead of the cold front, and then the front goes there, Western Australia, South Australia. So be aware, many models are showing it. So there's the rain accumulation from the GFS from today to Friday the 4th. So the GFS shows like some in the coastal Western Australia, but not much. Shows more central Western Australia, like some 51 millimeters. The cold front moves into South Australia, and some rain Victoria today, Saturday the 28th is today, and then into Tasmania. And then there'll be this cold front that will affect Western Australia next Wednesday the 2nd, and moving to Victoria again by like Friday the 4th. It might be some rain again. So be aware. And for New Zealand, the GFS is more than 116 millimeters, mainly in the western side, in the southern eastern side, very little, and more rain in northern New Zealand too. Then it has some islands there, like some islands near Australia, some more rain, some storms because of all these low pressure systems there. Then it has New Caledonia, the storms. It doesn't show any crazy quantities, but maybe some thunderstorms. It shows some higher amounts of rain near Lata, Mua, some islands there maybe of Vanuatu and some areas. Shows like in Samoa, the GFS is showing more than 116 millimeters in Samoa from the system next week on September 30th and October 1st. Some showers in Fiji, and like on October 3rd, the cold front in French Polynesia shows close to like 100 millimeters in Papeete as well. So be aware on October 3rd there, some more showers in French Polynesia, and be aware. Let's see, there's the Marshall Islands, some tropical rain, tropical showers and storms, because that's right on the tropical convergence zone. There's Guam, like some passing showers, maybe a storm or two. Palau, the same thing, passing showers, maybe some storms. And there's a big typhoon forecast there for Asia, but we'll make a tropical update for them there. So if you know anyone there, be aware. Then some more tropical rain in Papua New Guinea and Western Guinea, so be aware, more than 100 millimeters. And let's compare the European. It shows like a lot in New Zealand from the system, more than 100 millimeters, like in those northern parts of the South Island, close to 234 millimeters it's showing in the next 5 days. It shows more throughout central New Zealand, southern New Zealand, through the South Island there, rain and snow, so be careful. Shows more through the North Island, some areas close to 100 millimeters. And Auckland, also like 34 millimeters, so be aware. Even close to like 70 millimeters just south of Auckland. So let's see. It shows the rain there. It shows some more those islands of New Caledonia, close to 80 millimeters there. So be aware of the storms there. It does show like some moisture near Fiji and Vanuatu, but just some showers in Fiji. Maybe those storms in Vanuatu I showed you. And the European has a little bit less than the GFS, but it has like 63 millimeters in Samoa, near Tonga, some too. It is more in the middle of the ocean, but it has a lot near French Polynesia, some small islands close to 100 millimeters. So be aware there. And let's see, there's the icon. It shows like some showers, the storms near New Caledonia for Vanuatu, some showers in Fiji, but nothing crazy. And then it does show like in Samoa a little bit less as well, but it does show maybe some showers, a storm or two. And depending on the model, like the GFS showed many storms, so be aware. Vanuatu, more tropical showers and storms, some 84 millimeters. And the cold front in southern French Polynesia there on October 3rd, so be careful. The icon has a lot in New Zealand too, like 177 millimeters on the east coast as well, the southern coast actually, and then show like 109 millimeters, close to 136, and some more on the North Island, so be aware. And the icon also has in Western Australia those storms, the cold front moving through South Australia, and still has some from the cyclone now in New South Wales and Queensland. So be aware, it has more tropical showers and thunderstorms, the Solomon Islands, Papua New Guinea. Be aware in the Solomon Islands too, and it's showing some islands of Micronesia near like 90 millimeters. So be aware, some more tropical showers and storms in the tropics might be heavy. And yeah, this mainly it. So there's the access too, but it doesn't go out further east, but it does show New Caledonia, those storms, Western Australia, those systems there, and already showing by Wednesday the 2nd a lot in in New Zealand, like 200 meters near New Zealand, so be aware of that rain and snow there. Showing Vanuatu, Solomon Islands some more, so yeah, be careful. And like the temperatures, the European show still cold and chilly, southern Australia. Like tonight to tomorrow shows still some negative temperatures occurring now, like near New South Wales and Victoria on the high ground. New Zealand show like -1, -6, -5 in the mountains there. Some see 0 degrees, 4 degrees, 3 degrees along the coast. Some negative temperatures -1 in the central North Island tonight as well. And then as you go like through Saturday afternoon, the 28th, shows still some 30s northern Australia, close to 34 degrees, but chillier in the south. And then does show still negative temperatures in New Zealand, Southern Ireland, in the mountains mainly, and some colder temperatures Southern Australia. And then let's see, Sunday afternoon, the Europeans really kicking up those temperatures in Northern Australia, like some 38 degrees again, 38, so be aware there, some more heat coming. And then show like Sunday the 29th into Monday, still some colder temperatures near New Zealand, Southern Australia, some colder temperatures. Then Monday into Tuesday shows a little bit chillier there, but Tuesday afternoon still show like 38, 39, almost to 40. Here goes shows 40 degrees in Northern Australia. Next Tuesday, the 1st, 40, almost to 41 degrees. So be aware, might be the next heat wave trying to set up there. Like next Tuesday, the 1st into next Wednesday, show some colder 0 temperatures in Tasmania during the night and morning. Next Wednesday, the 2nd, there will be the big system in New Zealand, but still show like 0 degrees in Tasmania during the night. Colder temperatures New South Wales and Victoria, but in New Zealand show like still in the mountains so -2 degrees. Then this cycle moves around there. Still some negative temperatures in some mountains at night in some areas. And generally chilly, some 16, 17 degrees. At night, 14, 13 in Auckland. So be aware, some normal tropical temperatures in the islands there, like in the 20s, high 20s. So be aware. And then let's see, from time to time, might be a little bit colder or warmer because of the cold front, some storms, but no big temperature variations there. So be aware. Stay safe.